What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you a worldwide and free strategy on how you can make $141.75 again and again by simply answering questions. I'm also going to announce a giveaway, and we're going to pick a winner on the previous giveaway I have announced in my previous video here. So to find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and a lot more. And make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm gonna share with you in today's video here on how you can make money by simply answering questions. Now first, a disclaimer: results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk, but if you skip out any part of this video, you might not get any results at all. So make sure you watch the whole video, because I'm also going to announce a new giveaway here. And we are actually, before we proceed with today's strategy, I'm going to pick real quick here the winner on the last video I had a giveaway. So if you missed out the last video, I do recommend you to watch it on how you can get paid $1.10 per click. And I had a giveaway here. So let's go straight and have a look at the winner. Let me pick the URL. Let's go to the comment picker. Get the YouTube comments, and let's get started. Alright, Elanim Jacint, I hope I pronounced your name right. All you have to do is contact me and I will give you instant access to Daily List Profits, which is my own course here on how you can make your $100 plus per day. An awesome strategy, and you can see here I actually had a $420 per day here with the exact same strategy. So let's proceed here with today's video. Make sure, by the way, to subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which is My IM Tips. You're going to find a link at the top and in the description below. It is related to internet marketing, make money online and a lot more. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real long-term sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at as soon as we finish today's video here. But for now, let's dive into today's strategy on how you can make some super easy money online by simply answering questions. Let's go! Alright guys, so first off, we are actually going to pick an offer here so we can promote, and we are going to ClickBank. Now I know that some of you are going to say that it is not worldwide. Well, you can search for alternative like Digistore, works really fine, but there is so many affiliate networks that is working worldwide. I'm going to assume that you are going to have access to ClickBank. Create your free account. You log in and you go to the marketplace, and the next thing we want to do is actually go to the section where it says health and fitness. Alright, so here we are at health and fitness, and you can see here it is sorted by popularity. We have the research, but this is an offer that has been seen a lot. But here is a cool offer which is proven, and you can see here 141 and 82 actually, so it goes up and down a little bit. You can earn more, you can earn less. It depends on how much actually the buyer are going to purchase here. But we are going to assume here that they are going to you're going to make these commissions here. So first off, we want to have a quick look at the affiliate section. This is great to have some information and knowledge about what we are promoting here. I'm not going to read through everything, but we want to go to the tools here. And you can check out everything if you are interested in it, because it's going to help you to promote this offer. All right. I'm going to skip this, and I'm going to go to straight here to the product information. Proven, you can see here, it is one of the world's very best natural weight loss supplements. All right, we're taking 20 of the most powerful and highest quality natural ingredients. This sounds awesome. It's a great way to use this kind of information actually to promote this offer. So let's keep this in mind here. Now, the next thing we want to do is grab our affiliate link here. So you're going to do it real quick by promote. You can actually add a tracking ID and generate the Hope link. Now the next thing, we want to have some kind of a tracking, and to get started totally free, you can do it by go to a site like bit.ly.com, insert your link there, and of course copy a shortened link that you're going to get. It's a great way actually to have tracked here, okay? So you can see how many people are going to click actually through that link. So now we are going to open a notepad here, and let's copy this link to keep it later down the road here. Now the next thing we want to set up is an autoresponder totally free. How do you do that? Well, you create a free Gmail account. And if I just log into one of my Gmail accounts here, you can see here, you go to the see all settings, and you just scroll down in the general section where you see the vacation responder. All right, you want to turn it on. And now we need to insert text here, and I have something written real quick here, and this is going to be, here's how to lose your weight naturally fast, and thanks a lot. Just going to copy and paste here. Now you're going to improvise here and actually find your way on, write something unique so people are going to click through the link. And you can see here, you can add your bit.ly link right here now. All right. So basically I'm going to copy the link from the notepad that I have here. There you go. Boom. All right. And you can just type something like cheers or something like that with your name and hit the save changes. So now what's going to happen is that every time someone will contact you on this Gmail, they're going to receive this text here, and they can click the link and they're going to straight to the offer. All right, let's proceed here because we have now the most important thing to cover in here. How do we actually answer questions? And if you think that it is about Quora, no, it is not. So bear with me here, and that is why it is so important to watch the whole video here. Basically, you're going to Google and you're going to type similar to Quora, because Quora might have a lot of competition, so why go there? Of course you can use Quora as well, but why not go where it is less competition? All right, so you can go, for example, a site like answers.com, and you can see here if I just go to the health section, or you can just type on lose weight fast or something like that. So here's something I just typed earlier here, how to lose belly fat, and you can see here that a lot of people, they are answering questions here. Here is someone that I think actually is promoting his blog. So if I scroll down a little bit here, let's see what else is available here. Here is actually the strategy that I'm already talking about, okay? Look at this. Me and my sister lost a lot of belly fat with these supplements. I think they are called Proven something. This is exactly the same offer that I picked. I didn't know about it, so I just took it randomly. And you can, of course, find your own version in doing this. We didn't even exercise that much. Just email blah.com and it will send you the link automatically. So basically, I'm just going to save us some time here. I'm going to actually show you real quick here. Here is a text you can use. I tested a proven formula with natural ingredients for 30 days and lost XYZ pounds. I must say that this was the easiest way to lose weight, etc. blah blah blah. And you're going to find your own version here, but I think you get the point. You want to actually draw the attention here, curiosity, and all you have to do is just email me at xyz.gmail.com and you will get the link automatically. And this is the text that you are going to use. You're going to answer questions here. People are asking questions every single day on sites like this. Here is another site, Yahoo Answers is also a similar site. So I hope you get the point here. And if you have a look at here, look at this. What are some good alternatives? 30 best Quora alternatives. You have so many sites. All you have to do is put in the effort here and you can actually make 1, 2, 3 or even 5 or 10 sales a day. Who knows actually. It depends on you and your effort here. So I hope that you get the strategy. It is super easy to do this. Totally free and worldwide, as I said. If you can't access ClickBank, there is tons of other alternatives there. So I think that you get the point there. So that is how you can make super easy money by simply answering questions. Alright, so now as I mentioned earlier in the video here, I'm going to announce a new giveaway. We are going to pick a new winner of Daily List Profits. This is a great strategy on how you can get started to make your $100 plus per day. All you have to do is like this video, make sure you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, watch the whole video of course until here, and you must leave a comment. This is super important, otherwise I can't pick you as a winner of course. So make sure you leave a comment right here below and who knows, you might be one of the lucky winners to get access to Daily List Profits in my next video here. Alright. Make sure you check out my #1 recommendation right here below as well to make a full-time passive income online. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels, hit the notification bell, and check out my other Make Money Online video recommendation at the end screen here as well. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you in the next one.